In the age of artificial intelligence, where voice assistants can play your favorite song with a simple command and self-driving cars are becoming a reality, the impact of AI on education is a subject of increasing interest and concern. As AI becomes more sophisticated, students now have the ability to delegate their homework to AI models like ChatGPT. This raises the question, is AI helping students learn, or is it encouraging a culture of dependency and shortcut taking? AI tools have made significant inroads into the educational sphere in recent years. These tools offer a range of functionalities, from personalized learning programs to platforms that can grade assignments. The rise of AI has been seen as a boon for education, helping to individualize learning, increase accessibility, and reduce the workload for teachers. The recent development of AI models like OpenAI's ChatGPT offers new possibilities and challenges. These AI models can generate human-like text, allowing them to potentially complete a student's homework or assignment. This ability raises ethical and practical questions about the use of AI in education. Let's first consider the benefits. With AI models like ChatGPT, students have a tool that can provide explanations and examples on a variety of topics. It can help clarify concepts and provide guidance when a teacher or tutor isn't available. It can be an invaluable resource for self-study and can help make learning more interactive and engaging. On the other hand, the ease with which these AI models can complete homework presents a significant dilemma. If a student uses AI to do their work for them, they miss out on the learning experience. Homework is not just about producing correct answers, but about understanding the process and developing problem-solving skills. By bypassing the struggle and effort involved in working through homework, students miss out on critical thinking and learning opportunities. They risk becoming dependent on AI to solve problems for them, which could have long-term implications on their ability to think critically and solve problems independently. It is crucial to strike a balance between using AI as a tool to aid understanding and allowing it to replace the learning process. This responsibility falls not just on students, but also on parents, educators, and AI developers. Education systems must incorporate digital ethics as part of their curriculum, teaching students about responsible AI use. Parents and educators need to monitor the use of AI and emphasize that it is a tool for assistance, not a shortcut for work. Developers, on the other hand, could implement measures to ensure their AI tools are used responsibly, such as flags for extensive use or reminders about the tool's intended purpose. In the new age of AI, the relationship between technology and education is complicated and ever-evolving. As AI continues to advance, it's more important than ever to understand and navigate this complex dynamic. While AI models like ChatGPT can provide substantial educational benefits, it's crucial to use these tools responsibly to ensure they aid in learning rather than replace it. The goal should be to leverage AI to create a more enriching, personalized, and effective learning experience, without diminishing the importance of independent thought and effort in the educational journey. In conclusion, as we navigate the unfolding narrative of AI in education, it's essential to approach this powerful tool with both enthusiasm and caution. AI has the potential to revolutionize education, making learning more accessible, personalized, and engaging. However, it's crucial to ensure that AI serves as a supportive guide in the educational journey rather than a crutch or a shortcut. The challenge lies in leveraging the power of AI, like ChatGPT, without compromising the fundamental values of education, curiosity, understanding, and independent thought. In this exciting era of AI, we must remember that while technology can enhance education, it is the human desire to learn and grow that truly makes education meaningful.